Apparently I look like Kenny Chesney.
Yep.
Anyway, we're here. Wait, it's dark here. Face this way. Get over here.
Is that better?
We're here at the gas station. This is where you go before you go to a drift event. We're getting ice and gas. At the 240 right here, drugs to keep us awake on the ride up there. There's a truck back over there.
Pretty pumped.
Dude, you need to get pumped, for real.
I've been in a bad mood all day.
He said he was hangry because he didn't have anything to eat, but he's still like
It's probably a lie.
being a little bitch. Jeez, dude. Anyways, I'm kind of to blame. I'm always late. I'm always trying to do things last minute, and so wait a minute. Is that not open more?
No.
Anyways, we're heading up to Phoenix. We're hitting our first drift event today. We'll have another drift event tomorrow in Tucson. What?
This is the first time we've been drifting in so long.
I know. We're super excited. We're gonna destroy these cars.
I hope
We're just gonna like let it all loose, dude. We're gonna be so premature. Just. Anyway, we'll see y'all in a little bit.
What's going on, guys? I look like a dork without a hat on. There's Beau.
What's up? Get my car ready.
So, Beau's swapping wheels. We gotta take the Advans off. The Hardbody's here chilling. We're gonna wait on him and then hopefully we'll go out. Yeah, we're super excited. There's a lot of cars here, it's crazy. I don't know who's drifting, who's drag racing, but like, look at these things. I don't even know. Don't even know. There's so many cars.
Dude, so much going on tonight.
Have you ever seen like this many cars at like one single like Friday night kind of style event?
No, never. There's so many drift cars and so many drag cars. It's ridiculous. There's some pretty high dollar drag cars here as well.
It's pretty crazy.
Hold on.
So predictably, Ronnie's doing better than me out here. He's got the higher horsepower, so he's doing really well. The 240's not doing so well. I overheated after about 3 runs, so I came off. I'm gonna try to get some video of him. He's got a passenger already. This is Eric. Say hey, Eric.
What's up, guys? You're not pointing at him. There he is.
What?
Hardbody cream right here.
Hey, don't freaking judge me for how I point the camera. I'll point it at your dick, dude.
Do it.
All right, y'all have fun.
All right.
Don't kill Eric.
Try not to.
So they're gonna go out and drift. I'm gonna try to go get some video of them drifting and see how they do.
Driving today, but it's like I love just riding around in this car with you every day. As soon as I start watching, it's going.
Got it. Scrape. He just scraped.
What's going on, guys? I just got off track. It's been amazing. I've been having lots of fun, but I am worn out. Beau just came off right now. We're gonna go talk to him. He just did a really solid run. Freaking Camaros. He did a really solid run, but I didn't record it. So, my bad. Anyways, let's go see what's going on with him, how he did, what he thinks. There he is.
What's up?
Dude, that
Any
last
chance
run.
you got that last run?
No!
Dude, I drifted right over the rumble strips.
Dude,
it was like...
But it was good.
so
You
fun.
linked the whole thing.
It felt good. It felt good.
Proof.
That was easily my best run yet.
Proof that stock 240s can drift.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, definitely. I just need to get this counter steer flick. Thanks, buddy.
His car's alarm will not stop going off. Let's go over by the Hardbody.
Yeah, let's go.
Another one. If anybody ever tells you that drift cars are obnoxious, they've never been around a drag car.
Dude, drag cars are ridiculous, dude. Holy crap.
Hopefully you can hear us. I'm trying to talk pretty loud. Anyways, you were saying.
Just this, I just got to get this counter steer flick thing real good, you know?
Is it not self-steering a whole lot, or?
It is a little, but the thing is like timing it just right, you know?
Gonna drive the truck?
I would love to give it a shot.
Go do it, dude.
Well, that was the last run for that session. Oh, so I'm gonna give it about 10, 15 minutes, and then we'll jump back out there.
Trying to talk. They got in a crash, boys. They got in a crash. That white car has been having a hard time with these tandems all night long. And they had a little crash.
Was it the white car that hit him?
Yeah. Little crash.
Bad crash.
Anyways, this is it for me tonight, guys. Beau's gonna drive a little more. I'm gonna get a little footage of that. Hopefully we can get a video of him actually running. That's it. We had a great time. We wish we would have got a little more on-car footage. Super fun.
The
The track was super fast. It's a little stretched out for the 240. It's kind of low on horsepower, but the Hardbody did real well.
Yeah, it was fun. It was fun.
Lots of fun. But we got another event tomorrow, so we'll have some more fun.
See you guys tomorrow.
Peace out.
I'm not sure if Big Bang's still open or Elephant Bang. Nobody told me nothing. The tacos all over the joint. More like tech guys up here going. That's guys. Well, that's what it is. They bury their heads in cars.